This is being sold as one complete system. It is 3 different pieces of equipment. We're going to walk you through all 3 of them, and then we're going to do a test video. The first piece here is the MCS inkjet system. If you're interested in a system by itself, there are 3 more available in the auction. All of those have 2 heads. This one has 1. This MCS inkjet system has been recently most of the components were replaced in 2017. The 2 MCS bases, that's a 430 and this is a 530, are originally from 2012, but those are the only components of that age. Everything else, including the computers and software, were replaced in 2017. What was replaced is here the Eagle Flexprint head, which can print a large width. The exact specs will be in the listing. The MCS Raptor 10.0 software and computer and driver. The Adfos dryer. The MCS Perfect Match camera system is located over here. Pardon the red lights. You can see the camera right there, which works with the MCS Perfect Match software. And that'll catch both addresses that are incorrect and also misfeeds and whatnot, and it will stop if any misfeeds or problems happen. And there's also a delivery conveyor. Going this direction, we have an MBO 26-inch Perfection Series folder. The exact age will be listed in the listing. It has 4 fold plates. It also has glue rollers, and there's 2 gluing heads on it, which we'll get to in a minute. This MBO folder has a continuous feeder. We're going around the back here to show you the gluer. Over here we have the HHS XMelt XM04-4 hot glue system. It has the HHS extend controller with a screen there where you can make all your programming, adjustments, settings, so on and so forth. It's a 4-channel controller. You got your HHS XMelt hot glue. This is the small control panel for the pot itself. Over here you're going to see this is a 4-channel gluer, 4-head gluer. There's 2 hoses hooked up there, and over here you can see there's 2 more spots for hoses where those brass plugs are, and there's 2 more hookups over here for the electronics for the 2 other heads. Now we're going to go around the side here and run a test. We're just going to be running 1 line of glue and I believe 1 address and a single fold. We're running a test here for you. We're just doing a single fold, 1 line of glue and an address. Continuous feeder. You grab a sample there, Tom? See the glue, address.